Yeah, hi. This is Vinay Kumar, and today I am discussing about a fifth sequel question, and that was very good question. Let's move into our question. Mm, yeah. So what he is asking about? He is asking about write a query to get the arrival dates of first occurrence of respective train. First occurrence of respective train. So so this is the departure, and this one is the arrival. Arrival date, first occurrence of respective train. Okay, arrival date of first occurrence of respective. So here, let's see, observe this data. So this is the okay, good, and this one is the train number, and this one is one of the train number, and this one is repeating. So so this one is repeating. So okay. So to get the arrival dates, first occurrence, so it means you can consider it as a min of respective trains, right? So you can group by this train number and then minimum of this arrival date. So you can get it. So this is an additional challenge. This one also. We can solve this one also. First of all, solving this one. So how you are considering this one? So this is the expected output. How will be treated 12558. See, this is the 6:30 p.m. This is the 6:30 p.m. of 1st January, right? So this one is 1:40 a.m. It means it is 1:40 a.m. means this is the next day. It means next day means January 2nd. So that's why it is a January 2nd. So now 5th January or 6th April, which one is first? 5th January is first. So 5th January is first. So we can take it as that day, 5th January of this one, because departure time and arrival time will be happens in same day, right? So that's why we can consider. And 35824, this is a small doubt will be the here a small doubt will be there. What was the doubt is this one is a 2022. Here we can consider it as a 27th of February 2022, 12 a.m. It snowflake it will treats as a I can consider this one. I can consider this one. So it will be taken it as a 27th of February, not this one. So this is not a good. Okay, this is a 12 a.m. means exactly 0 0 0.00. We can railway time we can mention it like this only. Okay, so this is the 27th of February. So no, this is not 28th. This is the 27th of February. So I can prove this one also. So after some time I can prove this one. So let's jump this one. Let we can consider this one and we can deploy this data into our Snowflake DB. So let's move it on. Yeah. So select 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 star from train. Okay, so you can see this one. This is not a date column. You see, biologically, our human present perspective view, it is a date, but this one consider it is a varchar, and it as a, also consider it as a varchar, and this one we can consider it as a varchar, right? So first of all, you can understand system must and should understand whether it is a date or varchar. So you can give casting. So now I am giving casting here. Question is he is giving asking about arrival date, minimum minimum arrival date, that means first occurrence, right? So first occurrence means minimum of arrival date. So okay, I want to give uh, train number and dates, uh, 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 departure time and arrival time also. Okay, good. And treat it as just a you can give casting this one. So to it, which is in the format of dd month, and this one is a you need to give time casting. Mm, so each hh total dot minutes and am considered. So this one, how you consider this one also. One more thing approach will be there. I will give this one, so don't worry that. uh, so give alias something, right? So something some date, and we can treat it as a departure time, and uh, which is in form of hh 12 minutes and am this one. We can just at present we can consider it is a arrival time, just. Mhm. Everything is good, everything is fine. So everything is fine, so we can take, and we can take this one. So everything is fine. My question is, see, this one 1830 and this one 140, you can understand. See, first of all, date and that time you can concat this one. So date and, see, this one is date, this one is time. You can concat this one and make it as a timestamp. Then only you can comparing arrival time and departure time. uh, Definitely when this timestamp, arrival timestamp is more comparing to departure time. Okay, so I will follow this one. Okay, so I want to make it as a date. I want to make it as a concatenate date. So whether it is working, yeah, working. And I want some small gap. So okay, yeah, fine. So 10 10 stmp to timestamp. Okay, so similarly you can consider this one arrival time also. This is a, and date, mm, mm, now the question is, I can see, I can analyze the situation. What happened? dt less than arrival time. Departure time is always less than arrival time. So here it is a false, right? So then what happened on the time only, when arrival time, see, departure time is less than arrival time, then you can take arrival time. Else else then what happened? Else that arrival time, control c, control v, the next day. Okay, next day, next day of this one. Okay, so this is January 1st 2022, this is the January 2nd 2022, because definitely must and should arrival time is more than departure time. Not the time, it means a timestamp considering date and time, correct? So that's why I'm checking this case. Okay, okay. So where it is at, so you can take it, control C, control V. This one is else case. So where is our control V and arrival time, this one. So we can comment this one and then run this one. So now this one is the date and arrival time, and this one is the departure time. Okay, so here what the question is, write a query to get the arrival dates of first occurrence of respective train. First occurrence of, so you can simply you can make a group by here. Okay, simply you can make a group by here and the first of respective train. So arrival time, minimum of arrival train, arrival time of the train, right? So you can consider here. So now what I am doing, group by group by one, uh, okay, because here I'm taking something, right? Mm, uh, because date I'm considering as this two date, right? So I want to change all of the dates where it is here date and here date, and here date. So make it as a result set this one. Okay, because then only I can understand, easily understand, right? So okay, now what do you want? Actually now you want train number and group by one of minimum of arrival time, right? So minimum of arrival time, that arrival time must and should be in the format of date, right? Yeah, that arrival time must and should in the format of date. But you want what? You want in the format of this one, na? You want format of this one. So so 2 Jan 2020. So I want to make it as a varchar of, so uh, make it as a varchar of dd hyphen m yy. Okay, and see, first of all 3 5 lost and 3, okay, so you can give order by here. Okay, good, fine. Question is here is not a, this is not a 28th of February 2020. This is a 27th February 2022, correct? So now I am doing, now I am doing here what, that one, select for example what he is taking, so that that the things that I am taking. So for example So for example to date, and this one is in the format of dd, month, year, and two's time, and this one is the format of hh, 12 minutes, am. So wait, uh, two timestamp, I want to make it as a railway timestamp. So this is a railway time, right? This is a railway time. For example, I am nothing, I am actually the data is not changed, right? So similarly, for example, similarly, I want to take this time 4 a.m. time na. So control C and make a comma here, and control V, and 4 a.m. right, this one. So control C, so control V. For example, I can consider it as a railway departure time. For example, uh, railway departure time, and now 4 a.m. right, this one is 4 a.m. So this is a railway arrival time, for example, on that day. For example, what happened, end of file, okay. I am using comparison. Comparison works good if it is gives true. If it is gives true, then what happened, it is 27th of February 2022. 27, not 28. This is completely false. So 12 a.m. is 27th February 2022, not 28th. So please consider this one. So okay, yeah. Okay, next, one more thing is there. So here also something, some drawbacks are there. Wait. Now it is good. Now you can see the question. What is that one? See, additional challenge will be there. What that additional? Add an additional column as total journey of hours in a new column. So additional column, I can understand that. Total journey hours. Total journey hours of the respective train. Okay, total journey hours of the respective train. Yeah. Uh, Total journey hours of your respective train. Here you are mentioning about uh, okay. Okay. So first of all, I want to comment this one. Mm, mm. What he want only journey hours, total journey hours of the respective train. So now make a comma here. So mm, journey hours, right? So time, arrival arrival time minus departure time. So arrival time minus departure time means um, arrival time minus departure time. It is a difference, the time difference, right? So the time difference in what the unit they are taking, total journey hours only. Okay, hours, it is in hours, not the minutes, it is in hours. So date diff, so you can hours and arrival time, sorry, departure time minus here maximum and that one is minimum. So journey hours, so journey hours will be there. So now you can again only two. Now the sum of, now the sum of journey hours, is that clear? Yep. Is there any other method of approaches to solve this one? Control Z. One more thing is there. I have a small problem. Uh, mm, why can't you consider here? My question is, for example, here my question is based on arrival date. This one based on arrival date. So you can grouping this one. So only this is one record and this one is one record, but here this record is this train number, it means the train number repeating. So here the minimum date is this one, 5th of January 2022 arrival date also. So here we can, we get the journey hour. This is not, I don't want this journey hour. Okay, up to till, up to till whatever they are starting before that one, I don't know that one, up to till of up to that only I don't want this journey hour. Up to corresponding this arrival date, uh, arrival date only, uh, that journey hour I want. You understand my point? So you can understand this one, please. Here, how you are analyzing the situation here, that is my question. Hmm? So simple, that is a simple method of approach is there. So here arrival date you can consider it as a minimum and sum of, so to were care of this one, right? So you don't want this one. So uh, mm, sum of journey hour and so why you take it as a group by here? mm, so group by, why? So because this is the minimum now, so you can what do you want actually? You want arrival time now? Hmm? You want what arrival time? For example, I want comment this one. uh, for example, uh, minimum, right? Minimum of date, minimum of date means minimum of this one. So uh, row number, mm, row number, so over PARTITION, partition by TRAIN, train number, uh, order by, order this one, this one. Okay, RN. So I want up to minimum means sum of precedings plus next one, up to minimum, right? I'm considering. So sum of what? Sum of journey hour. Already journey hour here. Internally journey hour is declared, na? Internally journey hour is declared. So I want a journey over. Uh, um, Similarly, partition by one. Uh, Partition by train number order by mm, order by what? Order by arrival time only, right? So order by arrival time only. So simple. So simple this one, right? So I want to qualify Rn. You can qualify it, man. Rn equal to 1. That's it. That's it. So actually, what do you want? You want this one also, right? So minimum of arrival time. Oh, this one also that you want. Train number. Sorry. Okay. Leave it. So on first value you can. I'm qualifying that one. So okay. Okay. Mm. So first value of that partition by things of this one. So order by of what? Order by of mm, not this one. Order by of arrival time. You can take it. Hmm? Uh, mm, wait. I am confusing here. So mm, wait. Something's that I'm something that I am changing, right? What was that? Mm, yeah, row number, right? Yeah, row number, right? So wait a minute. So I don't see at this present. I don't want. I want all the data. So wait a minute. Okay. Uh, so you want what? Qualify where Rn equal to qualify at that particular date of timestamps. Uh, sum of journey hour. Journey hour at that till the first occurrence of date, arrival time of that date only journey hour you want get. So like this you are getting, correct? So similarly I want what first occurrence of this one, right? So I want to make it this one. So control C, uh, control V, and qualifying this here, and uh, first value here, and first value of what you want. First value of this one I want. Control C, control V. uh, Offset, offset by default one, and no need to give. Yeah. So order by one. Yeah. 12:50 at 2nd January, 5th January, 27th February. Correct. And 7/9. And if it is not, you can move. Total journey hours. Already I solved that one, right? If it is total journey hours, you want uh, this one. Mm, sorry, what happened here? Value train number is not a group by valid expression. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, this one. Okay. That's uh, if you have any doubts regarding SQL, uh, this is my mail. This is my mail, and if you have any doubts regarding SQL, I can help.